In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Kajabi Live session without using Zoom. This way, you can engage with your audience directly on Kajabi without the need for additional software, making the process smoother and more integrated for both you and your participants. So, let's dive into the steps and get you started. First, open your web browser and go to the Kajabi homepage. Once you're there, log into your account to access the Kajabi dashboard. If you do not have a Kajabi account yet, you'll need to sign up to proceed with the steps we're about to cover. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with several options. Click on Products to gain access to your digital content. In the drop-down that appears, select Courses since that's where we will manage the live sessions. It's important to ensure that your course content is properly organized before inviting students to live sessions to provide them with the best experience possible. Now that you're in the Courses section, you might notice something new. Kajabi now integrates live sessions into courses, allowing learners to get real-time interaction directly within the course content. Navigate to the Settings tab to enable this feature. There's a simple button. Just click Enable, and you'll be ready to allow live sessions in your course. Once enabled, look for the toggle that allows you to provide a live video session for your course. Flip the toggle to activate it. This feature is crucial as it will allow you to host live sessions directly within Kajabi, eliminating the need for external applications like Zoom. Next up is scheduling. Schedule your live sessions by setting the date and time that works best for you and your audience. Consistency can be key to engaging your audience, so be sure to pick a schedule that you can stick to regularly. An exciting feature you should consider using is the automatic upload of session recordings as lessons. Simply find the appropriate toggle and turn it on. This feature saves you the burden of manually uploading each session, ensuring your content library is always updated with the latest material. Once you've set everything up, don't forget to click Save. This step is important to ensure all your configurations are locked in. Now, to get the session link, this is what your attendees will use to join your live session. Head back to the Courses section, where you will find an option with 3 dots. Click on these, then select Get Session Link. Open a new tab on your browser and paste the session link to start. As the final preparation before going live, make sure your video and audio settings are optimized. Proper audio and video settings are essential for a seamless participant experience. Click on No, Just Go Live to start the session. And with that, you're all set. Your Kajabi Live session is up and running without the help of Zoom. Enjoy your newfound capability to connect with and teach your audience live.